Okay, the topic is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis refers to development of spermatozoa, that is the sperm from the spermatogonia, which is the primitive germ cells. In humans, the whole process, that which is called as spermiogenesis, takes 74 days. And it occurs in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, and now the spermatogonia forms are of two types, type A and type B, and then the type B develops into the primary spermatocyte, which is the largest germ cell in the seminiferous tubule. So the primary spermatocyte is the largest germ cell. Okay, now each spermatocyte undergoes first meiotic division to form two haploid secondary spermatocytes. I'll come to the flow chart very soon. Now, each single spermatogonia forms around 512 spermatids. 512. All these are important MCQs for all your PG exams. Okay, so now let's go into the flow chart, how it is formed. So the first thing is the 44XY spermatogonium type A. Okay, now this then grows. There is no meiotic or meiotic division or mitotic division. This grows into the spermatogonium type B, which is again 44XY. Okay, now from this spermatogonium again it grows to form the primary spermatocyte. Okay, this is again 44XY. Now the first meiotic division, meiotic division happens to form 22X and 22Y. These are the secondary spermatocytes. So in secondary spermatocytes, the sex determination can take place because the sperms have become X and Y. So depending on whether the Y1 fertilizes the ova or the X, the male or female will be formed. Then second meiotic division occurs again in these, and they again form 222X or 222Y chromosomes, and then for spermatids. Now these spermatids then develop into spermatozoa, which is also known as sperms. Okay, so this is the entire pathway.